Talk me through your emotions in those final few seconds.
Unbelievable. I don't know what to say. The last two games have been crazy for us. To win like that, the guys that keep fighting, they found a way. We got a saying, just find a way, and they found a way tonight. It was unbelievable.
Did you hear the whistle? Did you know it was a foul?
I saw this, and I knew, okay, there's a foul. I just was worried whether it was 2 or 3. I didn't know what it. So it was 3. Kyle stepped up and made him. It was huge. It was big time.
What can you say what was said in the huddle on that last timeout when Kyle needed that one more free throw to win the game?
We left him alone. Nobody said a word to him. He was locked in. We were just trying to figure out will we put somebody on the ball or take somebody off the ball. And you know, it worked out.
I got to ask to be a part of the first team that will play for a national championship at the University of Virginia and to be a former player in this program.
Oh, yeah.
How does it feel?
Hey, this is for all those former guys that I played with, that were before me, that we coached. This is unreal, and there's a lot of happy folk. It's Black Alumni Weekend back in Charlottesville. We're excited. I know they're excited for us. A lot of my friends are back for that. We got a lot of players here. I'm speechless. I'm happy to be a part of this. Like I said before, I bleed orange and blue, and I'm extremely excited about where we are. One more to go, though.